Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to fix Ulta app issues. So let's just get straight into the video. So first let's talk about a couple of basic technical fixes. And that will involve or start by force closing your Ulta Beauty application and trying to launch it again. If that also doesn't work, what you want to do is simply go ahead and clear cache and data. So simply go ahead and open your app store on your mobile, click on your profile icon, and then click on personalized recommendations. Click on clear app usage data and then click on clear. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and if that doesn't work, try to open App Store or Play Store and then simply search for Ulta Beauty and check if they have an update pending right over here. On the button that says open, it's going to say update. If that is not the case, then simply try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. Now, when it comes to network and connectivity fixes, all you need to do is try switching from Wi-Fi to data or vice versa first. If that doesn't work, disable all the VPNs. And finally, toggle your airplane mode on and off to go ahead and reset it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.